this?
Hello, amazing explorers! I'm Chef Veggie, and today we're going on a fantastic vegetable adventure. We'll meet 15 wonderful veggies and learn their names. Are you ready? Let's jump into our veggie wonderland. Look who's here! It's Mr. Tomato wearing his bright red coat. Can you say tomato? Great! Tomatoes are juicy and perfect for salads and sauces. Look at this! It's a crunchy carrot. Carrots are great for your eyes because they contain lots of vitamin A. Can you say carrot? Awesome! This green tree-like vegetable is called broccoli. It's full of vitamins that keep us strong. Let's all say broccoli together. Here we have soft and leafy lettuce, perfect for salads. Say lettuce with me. Great job! This long green vegetable is a cucumber. Cucumbers are so refreshing and full of water. Can you repeat cucumber? Excellent! Look at these colorful bell peppers. They can be red, green, yellow, or orange. Let's all say bell pepper. This leafy green is called spinach. It's super healthy and strong. Say spinach with me. Great, that's right. These little green gems are peas. They grow in pods. Let's say peas together. This tall plant gives us corn, a sweet and crunchy vegetable. Can you say corn? Very good. Beneath the soil, we find potatoes like this one. Potatoes are so versatile. Let's say potato. This is an onion, known for its strong flavor and layers. Can we all say onion? Great! Garlic is a small but mighty vegetable with lots of flavor. Let's say garlic together. This purple vegetable is called an eggplant. It's great in many dishes. Repeat after me, eggplant. Zucchini is a type of squash that's delicious and healthy. Let's all say zucchini. Mushrooms aren't plants, but they're a fantastic food. Can you say mushroom? Excellent! So kitties, I have bought some of the vegetables in my kitchen from the garden. Will you bring too? Let me know! You did a fantastic job today, friends. You met 15 amazing vegetables and learned their names. Keep exploring and eating your veggies. Bye for now! Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button below!